currently long in Kiwi dollar and Euro dollar. Just took profits in pound dollar. I'll walk you through what I just traded here. Here. Okay, I'll walk you through pound dollar. So today so far here in pound dollar, looking at the daily chart. Here is yesterday's daily candle. Here is day before yesterday's candle. If my charts want to zoom in here. Here we go. Well, my daily is not zooming in, but we just saw the daily, so I'll come back to that. Here on the 4-hour chart, see bullish price action here with this sweep and body close above this swing high right here. So bullish on the 4-hour. Here on the 1-hour chart, here's that price action here. You get that body candle close, this bullish price action here. And then on the 15-minute, same price action here, bullish. And then back to my execution charting. So here on the hourly, I missed, or this is yesterday, this is a few days ago here, stop out at break even. I missed this profit target here, trying to get to this profit target here. And then this was yesterday, I took a long here. And based on this price action, this was still set up for a long. I tried to trade into this bullish fair value gap right here, and I mentioned it during the London session that there were some things that I didn't like about that particular entry, but I didn't drop my stop lower, which was probably greed, and then price tested this lower bullish fair value gap and reversed. I was stopped out here. Then price sets up again, and I'm able to take a series of entries here up to target, and I'll walk you through that here. So this is my dealing range here for the New York AM session here. With that, you can see price, you can see this is where the trade failed, came and tested the real stop, equilibrium, and swept out this sell side liquidity here. I took an early entry. Then you can see here price puts in a market structure shift here to the buy side. So when price pulled back to that level, I took a second entry. And then here at this level, price put in a break of structure here on the 5-minute. So I added to the position here again. And this is to take price up here to target, which is the high of yesterday here. Also currently in Kiwi dollar. I'll walk you through that. So here in Kiwi dollar, let's back up to my analysis time frames. What is going on with my daily chart here? I'm going to refresh this because this is quite inconvenient. So looks like my app needs, or my brokerage, my trading app, my platform needs refreshing here, as it's not functioning properly. And this is day trading. You're going to have days where your platform is not going to perform as well as you would like, or moments when your platform doesn't perform as well as you would like, and it's going to possibly affect your trading. The best thing is to work through whatever issue it is that you're having at the time. Like right now my daily is back. Okay, so we worked through that. My daily's back. Now let's go through the analysis here. Actually, I want to refresh it again just in case this is the updated version. Some of these positions eyeballed just because they were there. Some of these positions I have drawn out properly on the charts here. So let's see which one. So this one is an older one. So this information isn't going to be here, but I'll put it up as we come up here. So here on the daily chart, this is yesterday's candle. This is day before yesterday's candle. Yesterday's candle trades below day before yesterday's candle and closes back inside the range of day before yesterday's candle. So this gives me a bullish bias or a buy-side bias on Kiwi dollar. And then if you come to the 4-hour chart, you'll see here there's a body candle close above this swing high right here. This would be the swing low here. And then this would be the new swing high of the range. This is the 4-hour range. Here on the 1-hour chart, we have that price action. Back up here. Here, so where does this start? This is around the 22 of yesterday. So I believe this is this price action here. Here, so this we get the sweep here, and then this here is the range here on the 1-hour chart. And then here on the 15-minute, this is the range. I'll have to go back and correct this. I don't want to give you any incorrect information here, just because I've got to line up the times and I want to get through this analysis as reasonably quickly as I can, as there's more things to get to here. Okay, this is going to be it on the 15 here. It's going to be here, right in around here. And then you get this here, this body candle close here on the 15-minute. Let's go back to my execution charting here. Be a little cleaner on this. As you can see, the platform here is still struggling to load. I believe this is this may be more of my internet connectivity issues today, as I've had some issues streaming as well. So let's see. So here, so setting up here, currently this is the 5-minute. I'm going to drop back down to the 15-minute here. So there is where I took this entry here. This is based on a 15-minute market structure shift. So this is a swing high right here. And then we get this body candle closure above this swing high here. So that triggered that entry. And then I'll drop back down to the 5-minute chart, and then you can see where I came in with these other orders. So here I took this entry based off of this swing high here on the 5-minute, getting a body candle close above in this candle. I was definitely in FOMO here. So when I did that, I realized that price had not come back down with the offer to enter that price. I entered with a market order when I normally enter with a limit. So I realized price had not fully pulled back. So I left a limit order there in case price does pull back into that area. And we'll see what it does. Usually that 5-minute market structure shift is where I want to be. Sometimes the 15-minute will work as well if they shift together, or if the 15-minute is higher and price comes back to the 15-minute but never comes back to the 5-minute. But again, the 5-minute is going to be ideal here. And my stop loss for this higher position here is this 15-minute swing low here. And then my other stop losses are a bit lower just because of where I set my entry. So this stop loss is going to be down here. Platform. I'm going to refresh this again. So I missed some opportunities today. As you can see, that one opportunity in pound dollar to get a really awesome entry. Missed that. Also, I had a heartbreaker on Bitcoin, but we'll get into that. Okay, this one we've got set up, so, or at least for the most part, is set up. So I'll walk you through this one top down. Here on the day, price closes above this swing high, making this the swing low, the new swing high. This is the current range on the 4-hour chart is bullish. Here on the 1-hour chart, you get this price action here, same price action. Back it up here. Actually, my entry is right at the point here. So here you have this swing high here, the swing high close above. Now you have your 1-hour range here. Also you have your bullish fair value gap. So trending here, a trending market here in euro dollar. And then if you come to the 15-minute, this is that range here on the 15-minute chart right here. And then this would be that swing and the body candle closes here. But once I've seen this on the 4-hour and 1-hour, doing it on the 15-minute would just be a formality here. But in the interest of time and giving an example, just showing here what I'm doing quickly. Let's see if we can get this. Okay, 5-minute chart just loaded, but really let's get the 15 up here. So this is the 15-minute chart. This entry here, which is the only active entry, is based off of this swing high, and this candle here gives the body candle close above the swing high. So when that happens, it pulls back, and I take an entry here at this level, which is the market structure shift level here to the buy side here on the 15-minute. This other limit entry here is based off of the 5-minute, which is the market structure shift that I want to capture. The stop loss on the current position here is the difference of the spread between this swing low here on the 15-minute entry based off the bid-ask spread. I don't take the entry. And then earlier there was a trade on dollar yen. So dollar yen, go back to my analysis charting here. Dollar yen set up on the daily chart. So this is yesterday's candle. This is day before yesterday's candle. Yesterday's candle gives a body candle close above day before yesterday's candle. This gives me a bullish bias. And then we can see on the 4-hour chart, you get this price action here where you get a body candle close above the swing high, setting the 4-hour range, also having a series of bullish fair value gaps here. So a trending market on the 4-hour, 1-hour chart. You get that price action here. You get a body candle close above a swing high here at this level. Sets the 1-hour range. You can see price start to consolidate in that. And that would be sufficient. But in addition to that, we'll go over the 15-minute here. You get this body candle close here on the 15-minute, setting the 15-minute range and seeing price consolidate within that. Then coming over to the 5-minute chart. Actually, let's start with the 1-minute. I was off sides here. I was buying in an area of premium and got caught off sides and stopped out here. But then here on the 5-minute, you can see this is the stop out that I mentioned here. But price set back up in range right here. So then this is equilibrium. So everything above here is a premium, which is where you would want to sell. Everything down here is a discount. So this is where you would want to buy. As you can see, I buy right here in an area of discount, which is also correlated with this swing high here on the 5 minute, where this candle gives the body candle close above. And then you can see price delivered here overall to the buy side up to target, which was here, the high of yesterday here. And you can see price action is still bullish and has overall still been delivering to the buy side. There is a possibility for a re-entry here, as you can see on the daily, maybe setting up a fair value gap here. And on the 1 hour, you can see a series of fair value gaps here. So potential for price to provide an entry tomorrow. And then one heartbreaker today. Bitcoin. Let's come over to my analysis charting. So Bitcoin had an eye on it since the Asian session. Still have an order out, but I highly doubt if I'm going to get it filled. Here on the daily chart, yesterday's candle, day before yesterday's candle, you get this sweep and a close back inside the range of day before yesterday's candle. So I have a buy side bias. And then here on the 4-hour chart, you get this price action here where this candle gives a body candle close above this swing high, sets the 4-hour range here, and price consolidated within that range. Also a bullish fair value gap here. So trending market here on the 4-hour. On the 1-hour chart, you can see this price action here, body candle close above the swing high, 1-hour range here, and this bullish fair value gap. 15-minute body candle close here, range, and bullish fair value gap. So all the things that I want to see. And I missed the trade, and Bitcoin did not provide a re-entry opportunity. So when I got to this position, I've been watching Bitcoin but had thought it off, and then once I realized what may have been setting up, I came back to the position, and price was in this candle right here, where if I had been here in this candle here, this is where the market structure shift to the buy side takes place. So this candle here that I began watching price action again was actually my entry candle as it came back to test this 5-minute market structure shift level. So this would have been my entry here. I missed that entry. So instead of chasing, I allowed price to continue. This candle closed and gave a body candle close above the swing high, which is also the 15-minute swing high. So a 5 and 15-minute swing high. So a very critical price level for my trading system. And you can see in the following candle here, price pulls back, but price does not pull back far enough for the bid-ask spread to get an entry. So I am skipped for that entry. Then you can see price deliver to the buy side and then pull back into these areas of fair value here. And then my limit order is sitting at 65,124.8, and the lowest candle here comes down to 65,130. So $1.50 away from entry and denied entry. And then you can see price just rockets here to the buy side. So price has now traded through the target. So I'm going to pull this order off. So definitely the heartbreaker of the day. This would have been a monster trade, but maybe another day. Trying to do my best to not get any more emotional than I already have. And that's just been dealing or managing the positions that I already have in place. And if all goes well, I'll get another opportunity with Bitcoin another day, possibly even tomorrow. But we'll see how price action plays out for the remainder of the positions that I'm currently in. And also pound dollar potentially setting up for another trade. So I'm going to take the things that I've learned from my session today and see if I can apply them and improve on what I'm doing tomorrow, or even for the rest of the day today. But if you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com.